In this video, I will show you how to get a US bank account with Payoneer. First, go ahead and open any browser on your system and log into your Payoneer account. After that, click on the Get Paid option on the left side of your screen. Then click on the Receiving Accounts option. If you already have any pending or approved receiving accounts, you will see them here. Otherwise, click on Request Accounts. Then click on Next. And since we need a US bank account, go ahead and select USA from the list. Scroll down and click on Next, then click on Submit Request. If you haven't already completed your visual identity verification, you will be asked to do so at this point. Additionally, you will be required to fill out the Receiving Account questionnaire. This is the most important step, so make sure you provide accurate details. To fill this out, click on the Receiving Account questionnaire. First, select the reason for which you are mainly using your Payoneer account. Scroll down and select the category that best describes your line of business. Then, select your personal role in your business and describe in a few sentences how your business operates. Next, scroll down and enter the URL of your business website. If you run an online store, provide its link. If you are working as a freelancer, paste the link to your freelancer portfolio. Finally, scroll down to the last step and select the monthly average payment volume of your business. Once all these details are completed, click on Submit. After you submit the form, your provided information will enter the verification phase. Once your details are successfully verified, you will receive your US bank account. Remember, you can only receive payments in this account from people within the USA and only from business accounts. If someone tries to send a payment from a personal account, the transaction will be declined.